Rediscovering Male Vitality After 60, the morning routine that transforms lives. For many men over 60, the gradual decline in energy, strength, and sexual performance can feel like an unavoidable part of aging. But what if this isn't the full story? Emerging research, including a landmark Harvard study, reveals that the real issue behind waning sexual health isn't just age or low testosterone, it's poor blood flow to the tiny vessels in the pelvic region. The good news: a simple, science-backed morning routine can help reverse this decline, restoring confidence, vitality, and intimacy in as little as a few weeks. Here's how 3 small habits, done within the first hour of waking, can make a profound difference for men over 60. The hidden cause of sexual decline. It's a common misconception that sexual challenges after 60 are solely due to aging or dwindling testosterone. In reality, over 70% of erectile dysfunction cases stem from compromised blood circulation, particularly in the microvessels of the penis, according to Harvard research. This condition, known as endothelial dysfunction, occurs when blood vessels lose elasticity, restricting the flow needed for healthy erections. Think of the male organ as a sponge. It relies on robust blood pressure to function. When circulation falters, even normal desire or testosterone levels may not be enough. The encouraging truth: this process isn't permanent. By adopting the right habits, men can stimulate nitric oxide production, reopen blood vessels, and restore natural sexual function without relying on medications. Morning mistakes that harm vitality. The first hour after waking is a critical window for setting the tone of your day. Unfortunately, many men unknowingly sabotage their health with common morning habits. Skipping hydration. Overnight, the body becomes mildly dehydrated, thickening the blood and slowing circulation. Reaching for the phone, checking emails, or social media spikes stress hormones, which constrict blood vessels. Neglecting breakfast. Relying on coffee or skipping food deprives the body of nutrients essential for hormone balance and blood flow. Staying sedentary. A lack of movement fails to activate the nervous system or stimulate pelvic blood flow. Over time, these habits compound, reducing circulation, dampening hormonal signals, and eroding confidence in intimate moments. A 10-minute morning routine for lasting change. Dr. Samuel Grant, a men's health expert with over 2 decades of clinical experience, has developed a simple, drug-free morning routine that takes less than 10 minutes. This 3-step plan is designed to optimize blood flow, support hormone health, and awaken the body's natural vitality. Step 1. Hydrate immediately, 2 minutes. Start your day with 2 glasses of room temperature water. This simple act thins the blood, boosts nitric oxide production, and enhances circulation to vital areas, including the pelvic region. Proper hydration primes the body for optimal function throughout the day. Step 2. Move lightly, 3 minutes. Engage in gentle movement to wake up your nervous system and direct blood flow to the pelvis. Try light stretching or yoga, joint rotations, shoulders, hips, knees, a brisk 3-minute walk, deep breathing exercises. These activities stimulate blood vessel flexibility and promote nitric oxide release, which is critical for healthy erections. Step 3. Eat a nutritious breakfast, 5 minutes. Fuel your body with foods that support circulation and testosterone production. Dr. Grant recommends boiled eggs packed with protein and healthy fats, berries rich in antioxidants to protect blood vessels. Greek yogurt supports gut health and hormone balance. Pumpkin seeds or walnuts, high in zinc and omega-3 south for vascular health. Avoid sugary cereals or heavy fried foods, which can stiffen blood vessels and disrupt hormone levels. Real stories, real results. Men who've adopted this routine report remarkable transformations. Take John, a 68-year-old retiree who hadn't experienced morning erections in nearly a decade. After 2 weeks of following Dr. Grant's routine, he noticed a significant improvement in energy and sexual function. "I feel alive again," he shared. "It's like I've reclaimed a part of myself." Similarly, Richard, 66, found that within just 7 days, his confidence and vitality returned. For him, the return of morning erections was more than physical, it was a powerful reminder of his strength and identity. These stories aren't outliers, they reflect the body's incredible ability to heal when given the right signals. The science behind the routine asterisk. This morning routine works because it targets the root causes of sexual decline. Nitric oxide boost, asterisk hydration and light movement increase nitric oxide, which dilates blood vessels and improves genital blood flow. Asterisk, endothelial health. Consistent habits keep microvessels flexible, countering the effects of endothelial dysfunction. Hormonal balance, asterisk nutrient-dense foods, stabilize testosterone, and reduce inflammation. Nervous system activation, asterisk, gentle exercise primes the body's reflexes, enhancing responsiveness. Asterisk, unlike medications that offer temporary fixes, this routine retrains the body to function naturally, delivering sustainable results. Asterisk, a lifestyle, not a quick fix. Asterisk, this isn't just a morning checklist. This isn't just a morning checklist, it's a daily commitment to vitality. Each time you hydrate, move, and nourish your body, you're sending a powerful message: I'm ready to thrive. Over weeks and months, these small actions rewire your biology, improving not only sexual health, but also energy, mental clarity, sleep quality, and relationship confidence. Take control of your vitality. Declining sexual health after 60 isn't a life sentence. By focusing on blood flow and making intentional morning choices, men can reclaim their strength and confidence. This simple routine: hydration, light movement, and a smart breakfast takes less than 10 minutes, but can transform your life. Asterisk, your body is ready to respond. All it needs is the right signals. Asterisk, key takeaway. Asterisk, start your day with purpose. Drink water, move your body, and eat wisely. These small steps can unlock profound changes in your sexual health and overall vitality.